Guys, there is no need to send your child to a private school. You know that you don't have enough money, or you know that you are a hassle. Sometimes, guys, a hassle can disappoint you at any time. Just because, guys, in South Africa there are public school for free. You understand? You are sending your child to a private school. You know that you don't have enough money to send that child, or every month you are struggle to pay that school fees. You understand? There is no need, because some people, they want people to know them that they are in a high class, so they send their children in private school. Even in private school, in a public school, they are in a public school. You understand? Just because, guys, do what is in your level. Just because you want to have a competition with someone who have enough money to send their children to private school, if you know that, because yes, in private school they have a good education. Even in public school nowadays, they have good education. You understand? Especially that child is in grade R1, and maybe that child is in secondary. Yeah, it makes sense